This is almost like an elevator. This is almost like an elevator fire service using the cash register. I came up with it, and hey, I guess I could put it on YouTube. I said, so let's do that. It's dark down here. Here's my fire key. Actually, it's just for a Royal Cash Register key. All of them are the same. There's a standard debit card terminal. Alright, so it starts off by... Now just so you know, this isn't like a normal fire service. So you turn it to on, and then you could see it coming down. It's a very slow elevator. Alright, it's here. So now, let's take out the fire key. And then we go in the elevator. Alright, now it is on. Now we turn that to on. And this elevator has 8 floors, but it's a very, very slow elevator. So, this is the call cancel button. Let's go to 7, I don't want to go there. 8, I don't want to go there. I guess you can go to 8. Okay. So, alright, let's see where the door... Let's go down. Close the door. And then off we go. It's slower going up. It would have been better if it would go faster for fire service, but you know, I wish. But the good thing is, you can't feel it moving. It's not moving at all. It's like a hydraulic elevator. In fact, it is. Even though it's 9 floors, just kidding. It's a really slow traction. I can't open it. So let me open it. Alright. So, if let's say I wanted to go down to, let's say I wanted to get another firefighter to come up with me. I just turned the key to off, and then it'll start up, and on this one it stays at 9 until it gets to 1. This is the alarm. It's very annoying. Now, usually 5 through 9 is locked using this skin. Finally, we're at 1. Oh, that was annoying. So then the door opens. So then we go to a floor. Let's go back to 9. And then we go to 9 and close the door. And then we're off. I think this will be incandescent, but it's not. It's usually green, but whatever the camera picks up, it's fine. Alright. So, now let's turn it to off and let's make it go down. And then we watch it. My gosh, this is annoying. Gosh, whoever thought of this, would be an idiot. But since it's royal, cash registers. This E means that it's going down. Means error. Okay. So we're still going down. It's very, very annoying. It's a glare. Alright. Alright, now we're at 1. And then it opens. Now that's off, we can turn the one from bypass to off. And then it resumes normal operation. But watch this. And here's the thing that watch this. See, it's locked. It doesn't go anywhere. But that I got the key card. Someone lent it to me. Well, actually, I beat him up for it. Just kidding. It's a Friendly's gift card. All right. So here's the bar. All right. Okay, so now it accepts it. Now let's go to 9. Now let's go to 9. All right. This elevator's slow. Alright, so now we're at 9. Let's see what I could do. Okay, I guess we can end the video now. Oh, one more thing. I could make it go up. Like this. Oh, and it's a non-88 compliant phone, but it's a very nice phone too. I can adjust it to go. Alright, let's head her on down. Now it's faster. Alright, now let's have the door open. Alright, so this is it. Alright, I'm running down on time. So, there's the elevator, and that's it.